(2017) plate BMW 330e M Sport. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have LED headlights as well as black Indigos, M Sport styling kit which includes front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear diffuser. There's a look, another alloy wheel. We also have the hyper charging port which is just there on the left hand side. We also have black window trim, so privacy glass on the rear, shark fin antenna. There's a look, another alloy wheel. It also has front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and rear diffuser. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. And there's a look, another alloy wheel. Going to the rear of the car, we have full Dakota leather throughout, with ISO fixed points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. We also have storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat. We have electric windows and integrated harman kardon speakers. Going to the front of the car, there's a look, the driver's full leather seat, which is very comfortable. We also have electric windows with electric power folding mirrors and again integrated harman kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start. This is a hybrid, so it won't make any noise until you put your foot on the throttle and the engine starts up. This vehicle has done just over 27,800 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, as well as paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, as well as auto wipers, and we also have auto lights there as well. In the centre we have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity. We have DAB radio. Going across, we have FM, AM, music collection, aux, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB as well. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Going back, we have phone connectivity, we have different drive modes as well. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Down here we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, and the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings does make all the difference. We have USB down there, so it's 12 volt connectivity in there with 2 nice size cup holders. You can turn traction control on and off, as well as drive mode select, parking sensors on and off. You get your e-drive button, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. We do have a touchpad, so if you go like that, the map will zoom out, go like that, the map will zoom in. Then we have the soft touch leather armrest, which can move forwards and back to suit whatever position you want, which also has storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passengers. Full Dakota leather seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2017 BMW 330e M Sport. The purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should. And as you can see, I'm not to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. To activate, simply push the button at the bottom and then use the dials to push up and it'll go to the next miles an hour. To go up, push up slightly and it'll adjust by 1. Push up until you feel the click and it'll adjust by 5 to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Cancel, either press the brake or tap the button twice and it'll then cancel. At the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. You also have paddle shift, so I'm going to take over the paddle shift now. So I'm now in 3rd, go up to 4th, into 5th, and then we're going to let the car take back over. You can also push the car, put the car into manual mode by pushing the gear stick to the left. It says M and S. So currently I'm in manual mode. So I'm now in 6th. Push away from me and it'll go to 4th, 3rd, and then to cancel simply push back to the right and the vehicle will then take back over. M means manual and then S means sport. So when you put the car into sports or sports plus, you can push the gear stick to the left and then give you faster gear changes. We do have satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as phone connectivity, as well as front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have full leather seats which are very comfortable with extended thigh support, and they're also heated. Here at House Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries for the past 3-4 years now, and with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we felt like quite well prepared. Before, we did nationwide next day delivery, and I did contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitize our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader, and if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact how good we are to buy for, and how caring of the company we actually are. So now, I'm taking the ride into an industrial estate, where I'm going to perform an emergency stop, push straight into reverse, just to show you that everything works as it should. So coming up, hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the rear reversing camera there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact. We can do a FaceTime video, we'll show you around the car, show you bits that we may have missed, and also answer your questions we may not have answered. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.